Everybody, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Shields McEwen, and you are watching Carolina Custom Homes with Shields.
Alright guys, so this week I am back with another floor plan focus, and today I'm going to talk about the Carolina Stanley. So first of all, the Carolina Stanley is on our display lot in Burlington, North Carolina. It's at 2450 North Church Street, Burlington, North Carolina, zip code 27217. To find the Stanley, we're going to click floor plans, and we're going to use the search tab over here. So type in Stanley. When you do that, click search, and there it is, the Carolina Stanley. So our model is at 2,405 square feet. We show it with two beds and four bedrooms and two baths. Okay. So first of all, whenever you see this virtual tour option, this is nothing more than a literal virtual walkthrough of our model. You can zoom in, zoom out, look up, look down. When you see the option for a walkthrough, that is simply a quick link to a YouTube video of a similar Carolina Stanley plan. It may be a custom Carolina Stanley or whatever, but it is, at the end of the day, a similar plan as the Stanley. And then when you scroll down, you've got your novel series options. That is going to be that PDF booklet with all of your interior and exterior options presented by Nationwide. And then your download Carolina Stanley standards is nothing more than a spec sheet on how it's built, electrical, plumbing, and all that stuff. So let's scroll down and get into the floor plan. All right, so here it is, 4-bed, 2-bath. The main point of today's video is trying to explain all the different things you can do with this flex space. So if you can see my mouse, this entire left wing of the house is flex space, okay? So we show it with a family room and 3 smaller bedrooms. Number one, we could make the family room smaller and make bedroom 2 bigger. We could hedge this wall out into the living room and add that space back to these spare bedrooms. If you have a customer that needs a 5th bedroom, I could create a solid wall going down here, a cased opening where my mouse is, which would create a hallway going down this area. You would put a door right where my mouse is, which would now enter into that 5th bedroom. So you have a solid wall, cased opening here, hallway going down to this general area, which would give you access to all the bedrooms and baths. Let's say you have a customer that says, you know, we're only interested in a 3-bedroom. We're not interested in the living room and den idea. What you could do is, again, wall off this, make it a solid wall. We could remove the 4th bedroom, making this front living room absolutely enormous. So this closet and wall is now gone. This doorway turns into a cased opening. So you have a huge living room, a cased opening here, which again brings you back to this general area, which would allow you to access the bedrooms and bathrooms. Okay. Another thing I get asked about a lot is a half bath. There are a number of ways you could work it into this plan, being that it is such a large plan. But one simple way to do it is extend this coat closet into the pantry to about where the word pantry is. Then I can insert my half bath right off of that foyer, which kind of makes sense for your guest. So those are just a few of the things you can do with the Carolina Stanley. The Stanley is a little unique, being that, okay, you've got one piece going this way, 2 pieces going this way, and then this third section, or this section over here, is actually its own entity or section shown by the double lines going down here. Okay, so where I'm getting at is, although typically most plans 76 feet is my max, I've actually got 6 feet. I could take this 60 to 66, leave this alone over here, which would take this plan all the way to 82 feet long. So that would be a way to make the bedrooms, the spare bedrooms, bigger and all that without affecting the plan at all, just simply making the plan bigger. So I could take this to 66. That is, again, only affecting from my mouse here to here. It has nothing to do with this section, okay? So keep that in mind. And then the Carolina Stanley is always going to consist of an optional / built-on-site front porch. This is how we show our model with an 8x34 gable-style front porch. You see the stonework and all that kind of stuff. Just know when you click on this floor plan, you do not see a porch included in that plan, so that tells you as the viewer or buyer, hey, I control that, I control the look, the style, all that stuff. So keep that in mind. I did want to hit again on that search tab. When you click on floor plans, I've heard a lot of people say it's not working correctly, and I have no issues with it. Let's just say I want to look at the Heartland plans, click Heartland, click search. Okay, there's all your Heartland plans. Let's say I want to click or see the Sparta. I'm going to put the Sparta. Search. There you go. So just make sure you're spelling it right. That's always a quick way to access these plans. You got your series tab, which I talk about a lot. And then I also wanted to show anybody having trouble accessing my YouTube, you can access it from our website. You just scroll to the bottom of any page, click that YouTube icon, takes you directly to my YouTube channel. Click videos, they're all there for you. Playlist, I've got them all sorted out and filtered for you. So that's it for today's video, guys. Again, today was a floor plan focus on the Carolina Stanley. It is on at our lot model, or at our lot in Burlington, one of our 5 beautiful lot models. If you want to take a look, get with us and schedule an appointment to get out here and take a look. If you are calling our office based on this video, please ask to speak with me, and you can always email me privately at shields, SHIELDS, at nccustommodulars.com. That's it, guys. Thanks.